In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email tracking in Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a quick refresher, following these straightforward steps will have you set up in just a few minutes. Email tracking is a valuable tool that can help you understand how your recipients interact with your emails, giving you insights into what catches their attention and enables you to follow up more effectively. First things first, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account by clicking on the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you're already logged in, fantastic, you're one step ahead. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you should see a settings icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that. Navigating to settings is like accessing the control center of your HubSpot account, where you can configure a multitude of options to maximize your use of the platform. After selecting the settings icon, look for the left sidebar. You'll find it is the main navigation area within settings. Scroll through the options until you see objects. Hover over this and a submenu should appear. From this list, go ahead and click on Activities. This section involves all the interactions related to your CRM activities, including calls, emails, and meetings. With the Activities page open, you'll want to look at the tabs available. Find and select the Email Log and Track tab. This tab is essential as it houses all the settings related to email logging and tracking. By using this feature, you'll have the ability to know when your sent emails are opened, or if any links within those emails are clicked on, giving you an edge in your communication strategy. Now here's the crucial step. On this page, locate the checkbox next to the option that says Allow all users to track emails and see when recipients open and click on their emails. Make sure this box is ticked. By enabling this setting, you equip your entire team with the capability to track the performance of their emails. It's important because collective insights can lead to better strategies and improved interaction rates. And there you have it, you've successfully turned on email tracking in HubSpot. Just by following these steps, you can vastly improve how you manage and optimize your email communications. Thanks for tuning in today and happy emailing.